this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Safari can't connect to iCloud private relay on an iPhone or an iPad. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now there's two different methods in order to do this, and we're going to be going over both, but essentially go ahead and start with turning iCloud private relay off and back on. So open up your settings on your device and tap your Apple ID up at the very top. From here, scroll down a little bit and you're going to see iCloud on here. Select that. And then scroll down a little bit and you're going to see iCloud Plus features in this section with private relay on right here. Go ahead and select private relay and you're going to want to turn it off completely. Wait about 60 seconds like mine currently is and then turn it back on. Once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and open it back up and check Safari again to see if the error is gone. For most people, this will fix it immediately. However, if you're still getting that error, the next thing that you're going to want to do is in the exact same section. So open up settings, go to Apple ID, iCloud private relay, and then turn it off again, just like so. And then go ahead and press and hold the side button and one volume button and slide to power off your device completely and wait a few seconds and turn it back on. And then re-enable private relay and test Safari again. A full reset often will clear connection issues, but as a bonus method, if it still isn't working for you, this could be temporary and an Apple service issue, and in that case you could download another browser like Chrome or Firefox and use that temporarily until the service is fully restored. Sometimes that's just an iCloud outage and you'll need to wait for Apple to resolve it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.